The VEVOR Tankless Heater Flushing Kit is equipped with a robust submersible pump that boasts an impressive power of 1/3 horsepower, ensuring efficient descaling and maintenance of water heaters. This kit includes a waterproof submersible pump that provides peace of mind by preventing water damage during the descaling process. Its dual-layer hose features a durable PVC coating and a high-density stainless steel tube, offering excellent resistance to leaks and rust, which significantly extends the product's lifespan. The VEVOR kit is designed for hassle-free installation with just 4 simple steps, making it accessible for anyone to perform self-service descaling and cleaning. Complete with a pump, 2 hoses, a bucket, a plastic wrench, and adapters, this kit includes all necessary components for effective water heater maintenance. The high pump speed and substantial head pressure make this kit an ideal tool for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of tankless water heaters.